Hello friends, welcome to Idiot's Diary. My name is Mahesh Chitlani and today we will learn inline element versus block level element. Now the first question arises in your mind is what is the element? We have already discussed in our previous video that what is the element, but before proceed it's better to revise the concept once again. As we all know that every tag is written with the help of angular brackets. Tag can be of two types. First is pair tag and second is empty tag. Pair tag has two parts. First is opening tag as shown on the screen and second is closing tag as shown on the screen. And the text contains between the opening and closing tag. The complete entity including opening tag, text plus closing tag is called an element as shown on your screen. In HTML, elements can be of two types. First is block level element and second is inline element. Block level elements are those elements which always starts from new line. As in normal writing practice, whenever you start a new heading, you start with a new line. In the similar manner, HTML is created in such a way that all headings, all paragraphs, lists and many more elements are automatically starts with new line. These kind of element is called block level elements. Next type of element is inline element. Inline element are those which do not change line automatically. For example, there are various type of tags which do not change line automatically, as whenever you create some text as a bold, italic, underline or whenever you create a links, then these tags do not change the line. So these kind of tags is called inline element. If you do not know about these tags, don't worry, we will discuss in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, then you can comment on this video. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe with your friends. Links are given below.